lights the world in every way. Happy International Women's Day. Hear the voices rising up today. Every dream you dare to chase paints the future we embrace. Happy International Women's Day. Your strength is shining on display. From every heart across the earth, we celebrate your endless worth. We celebrate your endless worth. From the mother's guiding gentle hands to the daughters chasing